Yeah, I went to like really far from my house to pick up these tanks. It's in the back. I didn't film a lot, but I figured I'll get a little bit of this. There's no traffic. I'm driving down, and yeah, there's traffic behind me, so I'm gonna stop now. I better stop because copyright issues and stuff. Don't want this music in the background.
Produced by Malik.
What's going on, world? Welcome back to Aqua Malik. I haven't made you guys any updates in the last few days. I've just been really busy. I'm actually setting up what I'm gonna call the aquarium gallery. So basically, I'm gonna have a lot more tanks like these on display. There's gonna be a 65-gallon tank exactly where I'm sitting, and it's not up here yet. It's actually right beside the camera right now. I'm waiting for my friend to come and help me put it up here. So I'll put some bureau footage of the tank up here, maybe just getting it up there and all that stuff, so you guys can see that. Now, as far as this section, as well as all the other fish rooms are concerned, that's basically the plan for 2021. I want to make things more display for you guys, actually. Also, because I'm here, I want to enjoy my fish a lot more. I don't really just want to have them in tanks where I can't really see them on full side views like this, where I can only see them from the back panel here, which is kind of not ideal, and it's just a personal preference for me as well. So I figured I'm going to do that. I actually have a light that I picked up. This light I purchased off of Amazon. It's a Night Crew. This is my favorite brand of lights. I use this quite a bit in the fish room. All the tanks are lit on this side, at least, with Night Crew lights, and there's a few more on the other side in the other tanks. Any tank that doesn't have a shop light has a Night Crew light, and I really like the level of growth I get. Unpaid advertisement, by the way, but I will be putting Amazon links to some of these stuff that you cannot buy in stores here in Canada, as well as people that are in the US and all over the world. You guys can buy it either from my Amazon store or affiliate links, which I will eventually get to putting on. So comment and let me know, get off my ass, and get the affiliate links on, so you guys can also buy some of this cool stuff instead of just looking at them on my channel. Now, this tank is actually going to be the top one. 65-gallon is going to be for the L82 Plecos. If you haven't checked out that video, I highly recommend checking that out. Put a link to it up here. They're a really rare, unique Pleco, really nice, quite expensive, and quite large, and hypercarnivore, so they eat meat mostly, crustaceans, mollusks, and other types of dead fish and dying fish and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to work with them, and I have a big breeding group. So hopefully I have some females in there, and hopefully that they are gonna do their job and get some fry for us in the coming weeks and months. So we'll be looking at those fish in quite detail in the future. But yeah. So aside from that, basically there's not much more to update. The Zebra Pleco fry are doing really well. I did have a clutch of eggs that did went bad. It was quite sad, actually. It's still, just I'm going to throw them out now. But essentially, there's nothing else to update. The other 10 are doing really well. I'll put the video of the first 10 days as well as the first food shortly at the same time, or like a day after this video. And so I'll update on that. And I did lose some fry, some other Hypancestrus fry, so I'm kind of devastated about that. It was kind of my fault. We'll be looking at that in detail in the next video. Aside from that, I don't think, there's no other deaths to report, which is good. I actually don't have a lot of deaths. Usually, I'm not good with that, so like I try to avoid that as much as possible, and especially when it's my fault. I don't want to have that. So all my adult fish are doing great. I just need to get on top of water changes, but these things have been kind of keeping me from doing all the work that I need to actually do in the fish room and also update you guys and stuff like that. So that's all gonna change now, and once these tanks are set up, things are gonna be a little bit better, because mentally I'm in a better place knowing that my fish are actually in tanks that are appropriately sized for them. That was actually quite bothering me quite a bit. So until this tank got set up, I was not in a mental place to actually be like happy and stuff like that, because it was stressful, you know. And so that was something I just really needed to get done, so that when this is done, I'm gonna be in a better place mentally about that. So you know, so we'll be making more daily updates for you guys. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification so you get updated when these type of videos, as well as many other videos like this and carrying maintenance videos and stuff, get uploaded. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I just want to quickly update, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you all.